You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. The arcade speed racer doesn't come with a very nice looking light up marquee. But to my surprise, they did assemble a very nice looking LCD display. But when you're looking at it, there are not a lot of games on this thing. Control wise, it's also a very interesting configuration. So with the steering wheel, where you're going to select the next page, and the shifter will be used for shifting and of course checking out the next game. The pedals are not going to be at the bottom part. We're going to get an A, B button over here, and then we're going to get ourselves volume control, start and reset for getting back to the main menu. But there is no quick load, quick save whatsoever. The artwork at the left and right side are exactly the same, but they have this Miami Vice vibe to it. But over there we're going to get ourselves a name called Legami Arcade Speed Racer. I'm guessing that is a made up name or something, or a brand who basically imported these things from China. I'm guessing. But at the back we're going to find the on and off switch, and then we're going to get ourselves the speaker. And I must say that the battery compartment, yeah, they're using a screw again. That is sometimes I'm always noticing when it comes to most of these mini arcades that they need to sell and have an approval for that. So I think one of those key things they needed to do. Powering on the device itself, we're going to need 3 AA batteries. And yeah, the downside is there is no way of getting the upgrade or having the option to add yourself a lithium battery. So yeah, there's a little bit of a bummer. You do see the space is out there, so, and I mean particularly when you're looking at the casing itself. But they're one of those things you can only find when you're getting a mini arcade from China or AliExpress, where they assemble a battery. So much more convenient that you can just charge them up and just keep playing. The games you will find on this device are not your typical, let's say, licensed games. So the naming already, like Speed Challenge, Speed Crisis, Track Racing, Deformable, alright, Lunatation, Pong Pong. That sounds really exciting. Extreme Racing, Champion Boat, and the list goes on and on and on. There are only 30 games, so compared with the different mini arcades I've reviewed here on the channel, where they come with a couple of hundred games, this is absolutely quite disappointing in my opinion. But I'm really curious about games like Tip Moto. Is this like Excite Bike, only with a different name? Ppenzer Fly Car. But so far, when you're looking at the tiny screenshot, there is nothing familiar over here. But let's take a close look at the Ardent Rally. We do have the option for a custom and contest. Okay, that is kind of cool. We do have a couple of colors. Let's choose the blue one. And it is absolutely a basic racing game. Even with some weird glitching going on. Can we shift? No. Oh, we can shift. That's kind of cool. So we do have like a low and a high gear. So I must say that it's pretty damn awesome that actually everything works. Low speed. But graphical wise, it would be cooler if they added some 16-bit looking flash games or whatsoever. High speed, baby. Oh yeah. Pressing reset will bring you back to the main menu. And let's see what you're actually going to get more with this. Racing or Rivalry. Okay. And they're all weird looking homebrew games. Where the previous game was quite cool to play, but this is no fun whatsoever. There is a minor dead zone with some of the games, but it's kind of cool that it actually works with. But we're not going to play every single game. Here you can see it's exactly the same kind of game that we have now tried before. Let's try Track Racing. This is like the old school arcade rally games. Oh jeez, this game is unplayable. Oh, this game is absolutely unplayable. Yeah, and then we're having this game called Pong Pong. I'm like, okay, what the hell is Pong Pong? Oh, that was where this hole where you're coming out of, and then you just need to drive around, I'm guessing. You cannot shoot or do anything else. Just fall into that hole, come back out, and that's it. Or do I need to crash into the guy? Oh yeah, that's actually what it is. It's just not like a Destruction Derby kind of a weird game. Yeah, okay. Wow, the title on this. Ppenzer Fly Car. Okay. Oh, that's it. Isn't this? Yep, this is absolutely a ripoff from Zippy or something that it was called back in the day. Intro music is the same. But we have no music whatsoever. Okay, great. I want to try the shifter, but so far the shifter doesn't do anything. There's only a couple of handful of games are actually using the shifter. How cool would it be if you have this device and have some old school outrun on it? See, it's very sensitive and it's a lot of fun to play. And maybe it sounds kind of weird to say, but this is a lot of fun, actually, to play this with the racing wheel. That was really cheap. But the list keeps going on and on with weird games. But in the end, they are exactly the same, only with a smaller minor difference. Oh, we do have the Christmas song now. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, Tip Moto is excited bike. Yep. Absolutely, they just ripped off something. Give it a different name. I don't know if they removed some graphical things. Let's see if I can do anything here. So basically B is the turbo. It makes no sense playing this game with a steering wheel because we have a motorcycle. But yeah, maybe that's a small detail. It's kind of cool they added a fun game to this.